Okay guys, we're on the range today. Very simple challenge. A Glock 17 French edition. All the bells and whistles versus Glock 19. Run by Mr. Shaggy Dog. Also, Red Dot 19 versus 17. Here goes. Challenge 1, 3 shots on steel from 10 meters. Fastest time wins. Ooh. 1.77. But 1.79. That though, my holster is harder to draw from because it's got a lock. That's the first excuse of many more to come. First challenge goes to the Glock 19 by 0.02. Challenge 2, draw, fire 2 on the right target, transition, fire 2 on the